It is the morning now, well, afternoon. We came outside to get the car, and as you can see,
these nasty old boys just throw snow on my dad's car.
oh gosh.
Look.
Fully. Look at Greg.
I hope no another car pushes.
Yeah. So I want to try and get over here.
I will.
Go ahead. Let me help you. Hold on to the car. Go. Ooh.
Ew. What's that yellow stuff?
Probably. I don't know.
This is like you need a shovel, bitch.
Whoa, whoa. My husband said it looks like I need a shovel. What do y'all think?
I think he does.
These are the things that we have to get them for Father's Day. Oh, we would have had, Daddy would have saw Felicity's house. But she's around the corner.
Yeah.
On 7th Street.
Or we could have seen her. I wanna hold it.
Put it the other way. I'm recording forward.
This way? This way?
Yeah, that one. I always feel like when you get the last one that be there is meant for you. Take time. Tired? You want me to wrap up your face? Huh? Okay. You okay? What? You what, babe? Oh yeah, that's solid. So he using as plastic. You can hear it.
I want to shovel Daddy's car.
Mm-hmm. So it's easier to drive in this. Oh, yeah. And people probably don't feel like coming out to do it. How big? Yeah. So what you call it will be suspended. Mm-hmm.
Who?
Alternate side parking. Like when daddy gotta move the car. How's your face? Is it okay?
Uh-huh.
I know.
Because it's winter.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's smiling.
Yours was starting like 1 minute ago. 1 minute ago.
Go ahead. She wants you to make a walkway for her?
Why from the side of it? Let me go with the cat.
Oh, come. We need help, bro. Go. Come on. Go ahead. Start right there. Her foot. Where her foot was that? Right? Thank you.
Of course. Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. This is dangerous.
Yes.
Try to have some fun. Bye.
Bye. That was nice, alright? Can I help you? Huh? You want me to wrap up your face? So why are you saying it's cold? I say you want me to wrap up? Look,
Mama.
look how high the snow. Look at the squirrels.
How do you
I don't know, Royalty. They must be cold.
What? I wanna do that. Mama, I wanna
What?
do that.
Do what?
Daddy, I wanna do it.
This side right, bro. You can't do this.
And then the thing is heavy. Where's your broom? Give her the broom.
You gotta get to the room. That's the big house.
Oh.
Who up? You can't do it.
Oh, look. Yeah, Royalty. Huh?
No, I need the broom.
Okay, look. I'm going to help you.